As a home business, we have to carry out a number of health and safety measures, which would include a full risk assessment, so any risk to the house, to the business and also to the family.
As a fish spa, we use a lot of water to do all sorts of things.
We are in a business office where there's lots of other companies, and they all have to make sure, along with us, that they are compliant, and we all do that together.
We have actually hired a water quality specialist to inspect the water every month.
Health and safety wise, we've had to put quite a lot of things in place because we work in the construction industry, and therefore on site we have to make sure that all of our employees are protected.
Yes, we have a health and safety policy, we have a health and safety rota at work.
So they have to have their personal protection equipment, they have to be qualified to work at height if they're working on scaffolding, their insurance has to cover them if they're working at height or if they're working with harmful substances.
Because we've done a number of outside events, we also have to carry out a risk assessment in line with the event organisers.
We have also got an architect to check the whole venue so that the dangerous parts are highlighted.
Having a fire extinguisher available, knowing where our fire exit points are.
Pat testing your kettle or your microwave or your fridge if you have one, making sure that it's up to good electrical standards.
We make sure we minimise trip risks, we do all those basic things.
It is important because it's for the safety of our employees and for ourselves as well.
I think really for very early stage companies it's a bit more of a hurdle to jump over than it is a source of strategic advantage.
Luckily, right from the beginning we had a top quality advisor, and as legislation has developed he's always kind of picked his way through it and helped keep the company protected.
When you've got employees in your office, it's your responsibility to make sure that there aren't any of those hazards in place.
Well, we have a health and safety review like any other business. Every year we have to revise that. We look at what possible hazards there are within the business.
It's a bit like filling out tax forms. It's horrible, but you sort of have to do it.